We're on. Oh, just crashed his ski.
I love the X Games.
Wait, this should be on film.
What's up, McDonald?
I'm just gonna say some cringy shit before Marty gets back.
Yeah.
Alright, OTC TV, what's good? We back. About to go on the ski, do some huge airs today, do some whips. We got John King behind the camera. He might even make a guest appearance with his broken toe and do a couple airs. We got NorCal legend, OB Lord, Marty Magnuson. I think that's how you pronounce his name. Gonna whip us into some. Probably not gonna do much vlogging and talking because Marty hates the cringe vlog shit. So we're just gonna keep it core. Get you into a dope surf edit. Got a freshie right here with a shit paint job. Little OTC spray, you already know. How zoomed in is that GoPro, huh? We're pretty like cropped in. Got the new GoPro, like 6, I think. GoPro gave me a new one, but I lost it, so we're using this GoPro 7 or whatever the fuck it is. Hopefully it goes good. Yeah, you know the rules, dude. Like, comment, subscribe. Let us know what you think about these toe at vids. Try a couple finger flips for sure. It's a stab high practice right here. Just so you guys know, I may or may not be doing the stab high coming up, so we're getting out on the ski, gonna launch some airs and get some stab high practice in. So stay tuned and yeah. Let's get it. Ski's mental, dude. Marty's got a tapped ski, bro. It's all padded, got a sled. We're dialed. Can I do some donuts? Oh, it's sketch. We're on. Oh, just crashed his ski. That was the best thing I've ever seen.
Bro, your face you came up.
Well, dude, I was like, for a second, I was under the sled. I thought I was gonna get fucking shot by the motor. I'm like,
Nah, I killed it. I was like,
no, it's all,
we couldn't find a shark, so we're like, we need a little filler footage.
It's only gay if you pay for it.
I'm broke, so.
Oh, it's not gay. Wise man once told me it is only gay if you pay for it. Insert clip here of Bam Margera. The man, the myth, the legend. Saying he's done a lot of gay shit, but it wasn't gay because he didn't pay for it. Oh, almost just crashed this thing. A couple ramps, a couple sharks. That was a pretty all-time tow-at sesh. Not gonna lie, I've been out there a bunch and whipped into ramps like hundreds of times and I've never landed that many airs. So I was hyped. Marty was a tapped ski driver. Sometimes it's hard to line up and be close on the GoPro, so hopefully we got a couple clips. And yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed the air camp sesh. Stab high warm-up, stab high practice. I'm fired up, dude. I mean, never in my life have I landed 20 airs in 2 hours, so it was pretty all-time. I mean, even you go to Waco and you get like 100 ramps in an hour, and we literally just did that for free. So better than Waco, dude. It was fun. So shouts out to Marty for hooking us up. Shouts out to John for risking his life on the ski. I forgot to mention, dude. Did you think you got the clip of you eating shit?
I think I got the clip.
Marty fucking board slid the ski on a set, and John tumbled off the back while filming and got caught under the sled, under the ski, and just ate so much shit, dude. It was the hectic, gnarliest wipeout I've ever seen on the ski. That was fucked, dude. You almost died. But yeah, we're gonna load up the ski, and then who knows what we get into for the rest of the day. So thanks for watching, guys, and don't forget, do all that gay shit. Like, comment, subscribe. Bitch! OTC.
I love the X Games.
She loves the letter X.
Wait, this should be on film. Look.
What's up, Big Dog?
Corey Juno, 100%.
Yeah, fucking right.
Boom.
That's what's up. Are you gonna capitalize and maybe get lucky and go home with a gold medalist?
I already did.
Capitalize.
Are you guys gonna run up a triple double this weekend?
Yep,
or what?
that's on economics. Yep.
Just